Hey kids, and well, we're back with another room tour. Yeah, this time on the main channel, not on the second channel. So, yeah, I think I'll do these once every around 6 months or so. So, yeah, cool. So, anyways, I'm actually doing this in honor of 5,000 subscribers. So, yeah, well, yeah, it's kind of been a while since the last subscriber milestone video. So the last one was in like April of last year. But yeah, that's because I just was stuck in 4,000 subscriber hell for so long. So yeah, and a lot of things have happened. A lot of things have been moved or changed since the last room tour. So let's take a nice tour again. All right, we start at the door. The sign's gone. I threw that out. Okay, there was just no point to it. I didn't really use it. Okay, so we'll be going this way, and then we'll come back here. All right. So this is my paper shredder that I got in like April this year. It's looking pretty nice. I even have like a little XP10 sticker on there. Yeah, like I also got custom stickers, and I just put them on things I like, right? Very dusty. I haven't used that in a while, but yeah. Anyways, here's the bookshelf. Yeah, this is basically where all my things are displayed. So yeah. So on the top thing right here, on the top shelf, we have this assorted collection of floppy disks. 4 of them are black, and like they just have like little utilities on them, like a Cronus disk imager or like a Windows 98 boot disk. And then the other ones are neon colored. They come in green, blue, purple, and pink. And basically they're just kind of there to, you know, I kind of use them like USB flash drives. I just transfer different files onto them, and then yeah. And then I also have this rack right here with all my disks. So I have a rack dedicated to OS disks, which I have a lot of, and application and miscellaneous disks, which I don't have a lot of. And I just stack them on top of each other like that. Yeah. And going over to this right side here, this is my OS X shrine. Yeah, it's basically where I keep all my OS X figures, so yeah. And yeah, there's basically been 2 new additions to this OS X shrine since that last room tour. So, what do we have here? Well, first of all, we have this box right here. This is for the the fan book set. And I didn't actually get the fan book itself. Like, the book isn't in there. And I don't have the book. And I wish I would. And I wish I did own the book, but I don't. But here, I do have the figures. So I have 9510, Me 10, XP 10, and also 2010, it was sold separately. I just have them displayed all right here. 2010 is a new edition. And we got our, like, this month. And back here are Inuti and Nyake. I actually got them yesterday. I actually did own Nyake before, but she was missing her cattail, and yeah, she's just stored away somewhere. I'm thinking of using her like somewhere else. I don't know. And anyways, this is my laptop stack. So I have, in order from top to bottom, I have my old black HP laptop that I actually used to make videos on like 5 years ago. Before Timeless Fan came into existence. I have this Eurocom 9200BM, I believe, and it just doesn't work. Well, okay, it does turn on, it just doesn't really do shit. It's a 486. This is an iBook G4. It runs macOS 10.4 Tiger, and the optical drive doesn't work, which is a damn shame. This is my 2017 MacBook Air. I have this quadruple booted on the SSD. I have quadruple booted Mojave, Catalina, Big Sur, and Monterey, and there's this USB flash drive attached to it, which has Sierra and High Sierra on it. And then I have my my other black HP laptop. This one is my what I was call my eMaculation machine / my travel laptop. I haven't done anything with it yet, but I am planning to have Endeavor OS and Windows 11 dual booted on it. The Endeavor OS part will be used for like emulating Mac OS, like PowerPC Mac OS, because, well, my main machine, which we'll get to shortly, doesn't really do that well, so that's why I have this. And then I have my $80 cheap satellite, my old trusty guinea pig machine, and then I have my 2009 MacBook Pro, which has 6 booted, multi-booted, Snow Leopard, Lion, Mountain Lion, Maverick, Yosemite, and El Capitan. I actually did that in a video. So yeah, cool. Going down to the next shelf, this is my box software shelf, which used to be at the bottom, but it's over here. So let's see. The most recent addition is OS2 Warp 3. I literally just added this. Or no, I didn't literally just add it. I added it like a month ago. But yeah, I actually unboxed this in a video if you want to go check that out. Windows 98 Second Edition, Windows 2000, Windows XP Home Edition, and macOS 10.1 Puma upgrade. So then we go down to this next shelf, and we have Kirby. Yeah, he's just here because why not? Keyboard. Yep. Coolio. This is like a Dell Windows 7 keyboard. I think it's meant for Windows 7 / Windows Vista because it has this because the star key looks like this. This is my old Dell optical USB disk drive. I don't really use it that often, but it's just here. My SD card adapter. Doesn't really get much use anymore because my main machine also has an SD card adapter. And 2 hard drives over here. One is a Samsung thing I got off of eBay. And the other one, this is a Toshiba, I believe this is a SATA one. Yeah. So then we have this USB floppy disk drive, which I got off Amazon. Pretty good. Oh, geez. This thing's dusty. LG G4. Used to use this phone. Don't really anymore. And an iPod Touch. I believe this is a 2nd or 3rd gen. This thing runs LG. This thing is running Android 6.0 Marshmallow. And this thing is running iOS 4. So, yeah. And then this bottom shelf is mostly empty. It just has blank discs. So we have a few blank CDs and a lot of blank DVDs. All right, and then we go over here. This is my main working area. So I have some nice deodorant to make me, smell nice. Here is a water bottle. I decorated with a lot of stickers. It's a nice hydro flask. I've decorated with it a lot of stickers. Related, I have some OS X stickers, some ITV regional stickers. Pretty neat. Some Windows stickers, and this. If you know, you know, and if you don't, I highly, I think because I put my computer to sleep. Hold on one sec. Okay, so then we reach this. This is my main monitor. Yes, my main monitor is a Roku TV. It can work as kind of just a Roku and a monitor built in one. This is a keyboard, and this is a mouse. So yeah, cool. And down here, I have kind of just this setup here. I don't really use this like I have a tripod here for my phone, and then an iPhone box and an iPad box. I used to use these as like stands, but I don't really use much. Can you tell I don't even use them much? Like, look at this shit. And also, yeah, don't mind that. I'll clear that up. Yeah, all right. Okay, so next up, this is my ThinkStation, and oh yeah, it's getting pretty dusty. I do like to de-dust it every now and again. All right, so yeah, this is my main computer. It's a ThinkStation. I have 9810. I have a nice 9810 sticker on the front. More dust. And then I have some bunch of other like stickers on the side. I have like some OS X stickers, like a Debian sticker, an 86 box sticker, Finder sticker, Windows 3.0 sticker. And then I have some old drawings of the Windows Friends. Yeah, remember the Windows Friends? I abandoned those guys like half a year ago. But yeah. I actually recently found this one, so I just kind of stuck it on there. And also this thing's been with me for like ever. And these are my two external hard drives. Yes, I have two now. This one holds my, VMs on VMware and sometimes on VirtualBox, like two VMs on VirtualBox. And then this one holds all my VM backups and my ISOs. So yeah. Okay, so then we get to this curtain, cool curtain, and then a bed. Yeah, just my regular old bed. This. My bedroom and my office used to be two separated rooms, but then in July 2025, I made them, just one room. So yeah, almost a year ago at this point. Here's a garbage can. Or no, it's not a can, it's just a thing, a garbage bin. This is an iMac that is dual booted. No, it's quintuple booted with macOS Ventura, Sonoma, Sequoia, Tahoe, and Golden Gate. So yeah, the Golden Gate Beta 1. So yeah, Magic Keyboard, Magic Mouse. Don't have a mouse pad for this thing anymore. And this is just my white display shelf. I put things on this sometimes. Printer. Yeah, I got a new printer. The old printer decided to just stop working. And then a scanner, which is new. Cool, right? And then here I have 3 OS X things just on my wall. This is actually an XP10 Shitaji keyboard. Yeah. Yeah, I got this off eBay. Pretty nice. And then this is like this is the little cardboard packaging to those guys. These guys over here. I just kind of hung them on the wall because, I think they're nice. Then we get over here. This is my box of chargers and cables, and extremely unorganized. They're all, like, very tangled. This is an iMac box. It's the box to that. And this is a custom-built tower computer, I believe, from 2012. Yeah, I don't really use it much. Tell I don't, but pencil, Sharpie, tape, scissors, things I use. And then this is actually a 40th anniversary Windows artwork I made in class. Yep, 1985, 2025. Yeah, and then I also made this 50th anniversary Apple artwork in April. Here's a watercolor painting of the macOS Finder logo. A Sharpie drawing of Windows 3.1 from Windows Friends. Windows Friends coming up again. Wow. But, yeah, this was used in Windows 98's 25th Anniversary Surprise Windows Friends Edition that one time, and I just kind of kept it ever since. A pencil drawing of an iBook G3 clamshell, and then we're back at the door. Cool. So yeah, that's it for this room tour. Thank you all for 5,000 subscribers, and thank you all for watching. Bye.